Yeah, this is way better than parking. Fuck all of that. Ollie R6 here, and man, we got Farrah back, Mister. Yes, we did. But yeah. So that accident was some bullshit. It was probably the best case scenario motorcycle accident I could think of. I mean, you know, you got to be careful in general. I should have probably just been more attentive. Just wanted to make this quick vlog, post some updates. Got some new forks when I took it to the Yamaha dealership to get checked out. And I mean, that Yamaha dealership though, But anyways, that's for another time. Going to the library right now. I got this group project. It's fucking finals, guys. Finals are ass. I can't even begin to tell you. Look at all of this fuck ass traffic, because this is what finals does. This is what finals does to college students. Fucking clusterfuck. But yeah, so I'll post up that crash video. Wow. And yeah, let me know what you think. It was pretty ridiculous. Aside from that, no serious damage to the bike. To me, just definitely, I'm just keeping an eye on everything to make sure there is no serious injury long term. Everything's going pretty decently. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoy this super short vlog. And I'll catch you next time. Take it easy. P.S. Don't forget to drop a like and or subscribe.